Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another exciting video. In this video, we're going to be teaching you how you can make over $1,000 in a single hour with zero money to start from anywhere in the world. And we brought on a very special guest to help teach that, so stay tuned.
Thank you, Kevin, for that intro. And what's up, ninjas? My name is Nathan Lucas, and I am pumped to be here with you today because I'm going to be sharing a strategy that you guys can use to start making money online using the power of affiliate marketing. Now, I know what it's like going on YouTube, going on the internet, all these different blogs, a bunch of different information about affiliate marketing, making money online. So what I want to do in this video is share a step-by-step process that you guys can use to start making money even as a beginner with affiliate marketing. We're going to be going over some really cool tactics in this video, and stay till the end because later I'm going to be dropping some gold nuggets about how I've personally and what a lot of other people are doing to dramatically increase their affiliate commissions. And I'm going to be sharing something with you that I've never shared before, not even on my own channel. And this is exactly what helped increase my affiliate commissions and hitting my first $1 million. So be sure to stick around for this whole tutorial. Now, before I get into this, I want to share with you guys some proof of what other people are doing, okay? I'm going to show a couple of different examples here. So right here, this is an example of how Jeff Lenny made $35,000 in just one day, okay? Now, this is just one example. This is a video on YouTube. You guys can feel free to go check that out. And then the next example I want to share with you guys is this couple right here called Matt and Karen Hale, okay? This is another interview with them where they made their first $2,000. Now, what are they doing and what is this process called? And it's called launch jacking. And I'm going to go very detailed in this video of how it works and how you guys can start making money with it. And of course, I'm going to share with you guys how to increase your commissions like the super affiliates, okay? So the first thing that you want to do is go to this website right here, okay? This is called Munch Eye, all right? And basically what happens is in the affiliate marketing space, this website right here is going to share with you all of the launches of different digital products that are coming out, okay? Now, on the side here, if I zoom in right here, you can see this little JVZ right here, and then this little symbol right here. And all you really need to understand about that is there's three different networks, primary networks. There's more on here, but there's three main ones that you need to sign up to depending on what product that you're going to choose to make commissions off of. And I'm going to share those with you right now. So the first one's called JVZoo, okay? You want it, let's just say that you pick a product over here and it has that little JVZ. You are going to need to sign up to JVZoo as an affiliate in order to promote that product. The next one is called ClickBank. This is a really well-known one in the space of affiliate marketing. And then the last one that I want to share with you is called Warrior Plus, okay? These are the three main affiliate networks of Munch Eye, okay? Now, again, like I said, there's more, but that doesn't matter right now. Let's just focus on this. So here's a strategy. What you want to do is you want to come over here to where it says launches. You can do, now the left side in the blue is big launches. And if I zoom in, you should be able to see that, big launches. And then on the right side are all of the launches. Now what you want to do is just figure out one that you want to promote. And as an example for this video, I'm going to share with you guys this one, okay? This one is Chris Munch, and it's called, the product is called 100K Shoutout. Now take a look at this. The product, okay, is $2,500 and it pays at 50% commissions. So you're making $1,250 commissions for every time you sell this as an affiliate. So you want to click on the actual product and it's going to take you to a page like this. Now down on the right side, you're going to see something called a JV page. And let me zoom in so you guys can see this. It says JV page. What you want to do is click on this, and this page is going to give you details about the launch. Now, this is a very short video. It doesn't go in depth. This is just basically giving excitement about this product launch. But if you want to stay up to date on this, you're going to put your name and email here, and you're going to click on Get More Information. And then the owners of this product will keep you up to date as an affiliate for the launch. So that way you guys can start making money by promoting this exact product. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that sometimes you can get the product for free. You simply reach out to the product owners. You say, hey, I want to review this as an affiliate so I can promote it. And sometimes, not all the time, they will actually give you a free copy. The reason that they'll do that is because they know that you're going to go out there and promote it. And of course, you're going to make them money, because when you make sales and make money, you're making them money by the sale of the product as well. Okay. So that's the first thing that you want to do, is check the JV page and check out all of the details. And you can see right here, they're giving over $50,000 in cash prizes for this one. And a lot of times, it may be closer to the launch, they're going to list out all of the prizes. Okay. So now that we have that in place, here's the strategy. Here's what you want to do. You want to jump over to YouTube and you're going to create a review video, because this is a very powerful thing. When you create a review video, you have to understand marketing a little bit when it comes to this. When people are looking for reviews of a product, that means they already know about the product and they're looking for someone's opinion on it. This means that they are in a buyer's state of mind. They want the product, they want to buy it, but they just need validation from somebody else in the world saying, yes, go ahead, it's a good product. So I'm going to share with you guys a perfect example of what you should be doing in order to increase your sales, because tons of people are doing this in on a scale of everything. Okay, launch jacking is still super profitable because there's not that many people doing it in comparison to other things. So I hope that makes sense. And your chances of ranking for something on a launch jack is a lot better than ranking for something that thousands of people are trying to rank for. So this example right here by Affiliate Tube is great. He says, quit 9-to-5 Academy review and bonus. All right. And that's the key that I want to share with you guys here, is the bonus aspect. Okay. And he even says, what is quit 9-to-5 Academy? And he does this for search results, because some people might be typing in, what is it? Okay. So let's jump over to this video. And I want to share with you guys the power of this. So he gives a review and goes over what's inside of this. So remember I said that maybe you will get granted access to the course by the owner or not. In this case, he is simply sharing what is inside of it based on this page here. So he's not going inside of the course or anything like that. And then what he does here is he has a link right here. Now, if we click this link, it's going to bring us to his review and bonus page. And I'm going to share with you guys several different ways that you guys can put these together. But first, I want to share how powerful this is, okay? And the power is in giving away bonuses. Now, I want you to think about people trying to look up reviews on a product, and they come across your video, or in this case, this video right here and this page. And they're already thinking about buying it. But now, if I scroll down here, he tells what people are actually getting in the course. And then check this out. Now he has 1 bonus, 2 bonus, 3 bonuses, 4 bonuses, 5. So he's got 5 bonuses of added value if someone purchases through his link. So right here, click here to buy now. If we were to click this, he would and purchase the product Quit 9-to-5 Academy. And of course, you guys, I'm just using this as an example. He would make commissions. Now, it's very key and important for you guys to understand this as well. Right here, he says, I'm going to zoom in on this. After purchase, send me a receipt or number or your screenshot at his email address for verification, and he'll send you the bonuses within 12 hours. You want to be sure to tell people that they need to provide you with proof, okay? Otherwise, anybody could say that they did, they'll email you, and then you're going to be giving your bonuses away for free to people who didn't even purchase, which means you didn't make commissions. Now, let's talk about how do you make a page like this. Now, this page right here, I'm almost sure is just made with a WordPress website. So if you already have a website made and you have a page builder, you can actually use that, and that's great. But I want to give you guys a couple different options. And the first one would be ClickFunnels. All right, ClickFunnels is one of the best funnel building and page building softwares out there. I personally use it. I know Kevin uses it, and tons of other people use this to create pages, funnels for their business. Okay, you can easily do that here as well. The next one I want to share with you is called Commission Gorilla. Okay, now this software here is a page builder, but it's actually specifically made for affiliate marketers to add bonuses. Okay, so you can add your bonuses inside of here, and I think that you pay, I want to say $90 every year for, I think it was 12 months. Okay, and then after that, I think you own the product. And I think that you even start out with $1. But this is another great page builder in order to host your bonuses. Okay, so now I want to talk about something that is kind of going to be like the elephant in the room. I know a lot of you guys are probably thinking, that's great. Well, how do I get bonuses? Okay, now there's a couple of things that you can do. The first thing that you can do, and it's more advanced if you have experience, is create your own bonuses. Okay, you can create them yourself depending on the niche you're in order to entice people to purchase through your affiliate link. The next thing that you can do is you can go out there and get ready-made bonuses. And I want to share a couple of websites with you. And the second one is the one that I've personally used to increase my sales greatly, and I'm going to share it with you guys, okay? So the first one is called IDPLR, all right? And PLR stands for private label rights. This just means that you can go in here, you can purchase them, and then you can use them in order to entice people. And I'm going to share with you where to get them. But if you register on this website, it is not free. It's free to register, but you guys would probably want to pay for this if you're going to take this serious. The gold member, if I scroll down, you get access to everything, okay? And if you want lifetime access, it's $89, okay? It's $89 for life. And then you have, even when they update the products, you're good to go and you'll be good forever, okay? So here's what we want to do. We want to go up to products, and then they have all of these different courses and ebooks and things that you can give away. So what I recommend doing is going under videos and do with giveaway rights. So if we click this, it's going to now show us all of the private label right products that you can give away as bonuses. Okay, and you get all of them included with your membership for $89, and you're good to go. And as they make updates, you can use these to give away to entice people. It's an amazing site. So now I'm going to share with you guys another one that I've personally used by someone who I know in the entrepreneur space, affiliate marketing space, who actually crushes it on Warrior Plus. And it's a product called Bonus Vault. You can simply go to thebonusvault.net, yes, .net, and that's going to bring you to a page like this. Now, here's what's cool about this. Brendan Mace is very experienced in affiliate marketing, and he has created this right here called the Bonus Vault, okay? And if I scroll down here, I'll show you, let's just get right to it because you do have to pay for it. But I think it's like $67. Where's the price down here? Yes. So here are your two options, okay? $17. Oh no, I was wrong. $17.95. It's only $17.95. But the crazy thing is a lot of the products in here that you can give away are so valuable, and he has previously sold them for hundreds of dollars a piece, okay? And you can buy this Bonus Vault package, okay? And then you can use them as bonuses as you're promoting affiliate products. I'm telling you guys right now, I use this right here, and I use bonuses that are pre-made from buying this right here, along with an email follow-up sequence. We're not going to have time to get into that in this video, but if you combine this with a page of bonuses like I shared with you before, and you have an email sequence as you're collecting leads, and then follow up with people, and then offer them bonuses in email, now you're following up and you're increasing your chances of making a sale, okay? So if you guys got value out of this, definitely go down and hit that thumbs up. I know Kevin will really like that, and so will the YouTube algorithm. I appreciate you guys. Thank you, Kevin, for having me on, and I'll see you guys later. If you guys want to check out my channel, I'm sure Kevin will leave it somewhere down in the link below. I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.
I hope you enjoyed that video from Nathan over at Freedom Influencer. If you guys want to learn more about him, definitely check out his channel. There will be a link down below in the description. If you want to learn how to make $1,000 with zero money to start, check out this video right here. You won't be disappointed. See you there. And so literally all you have to do is take this product that we already know is viral. See 898% increase, right? 6,276 orders. And it's an interesting looking product. All you have to do is take it and go where the people who are